Are you looking to get a new repeater? Because I've got just the special for you. Whether you're looking to get a new repeater to put on the air or you're trying to replace an old repeater that's been held together with duct tape and baling wire for the last 20 years, we've got the repeater special that you need to get back on the air. I'm Daniel, N0REY with BridgeCom Systems, here to announce our Hot Summer Nights repeater special that goes from now until Tuesday, August 16th at midnight. So if you didn't know, we have a few kinds of repeaters here, guys. We have a 440 BCR 40U repeater available. That's a UHF 40 watts continuous duty repeater. We have a VHF repeater. That is our BCR 50V 2-meter repeater, guys, up to 50 watts continuous duty power. We also have our BCR 220 repeater, 30 watts continuous duty. These are all in analog. We do also sell a digital model that can be a DMR, D-Star, or even a fusion repeater for amateur use, guys. So lead times right now are varying, but what we're going to do, guys, we actually have quantity, price, and quantity specials for these repeaters right now. Even if you just get one, we're having a deal, guys. So let's get right into it. So what you're going to be getting, if you get one of these repeaters during this special, you're going to be getting a free VCR programming kit worth $75. This is we actually program these repeaters from the factory with your credentials. This is going to allow you to actually program those again if you ever need to change any of the settings, guys. So if you buy 2 BCR repeaters at a time, maybe you need one for yourself, one for the other club, or you want to get multiple bands worth of repeaters, you're actually going to get a free Anytone 878 UV2 Plus. So whether you're the repeater trustee and you want to keep this radio for yourself, get you an awesome DMR radio, or you can even give it away at a club meeting. This is going to be an awesome special for you to get a free radio with the repeaters you are already going to buy. Guys, this radio is a $315 value that we're going to be giving you for free when you get 2 repeaters. Guys, if you buy 3 BCR repeaters, we're actually going to be throwing in a free Anytone 578 UV3 Plus tri-band DMR mobile radio. This radio is worth $460, and you're going to be getting it for free with your purchase of 3 repeaters, guys. And guys, lastly and bestly, if you buy 4 repeaters, we're going to be giving you half off the 4th repeater, guys. So that's a $750 discount if you guys buy 4 repeaters. All right, we actually did this sale a little while ago, and a couple guys bought 4 repeaters at a time, guys. So if there's people, you might need 4 repeaters, this is the time to go ahead and get them. This is the best deal you're possibly going to get. Guys, if you want to get these with duplexers, cable, feed line, antennas, all that stuff, we can actually do duplexers in the chassis. These are rack mountable and everything. We can set up your custom system, whether you're a club, emergency organization, business, something like that. We can help you with your repeater system. Guys, if you want to get a repeater, we've given you guys, the sale runs for about a month, so it gives you plenty of time to talk to your constituency, talk to the club members, talk to the organization, go ahead and get this approved. So that you can get these repeaters with an awesome special, whether it's the free programming kit, radio, mobile, or a massive discount on one of those repeaters. This is the sale for you guys. So go ahead and give us a call at BridgeCom Systems at our number, 816-532-8451. Guys, give us a call to let us set up a custom quote for you. Give us a call, 816-532-8451, to get you an awesome repeater special.